Hello friends, welcome back to Teach Tutorial Now. So friends, in this video we are going to learn how to make round circle bush. It's a very simple tutorial you can create in just only 1 minute. So friends, let's start. And before starting friends, if you have not subscribed my channel, just click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon button. Okay friends, so let's start now. So friends, I take a new composition and I'm taking 5 seconds and press then OK. So after this, let's take a new solid and I choose color. You can take anything you want. So I'm just taking, I'm taking yellow, and after this press then OK. So friends, after this, now make a round and don't take fill color and just off this fill color and go to stroke and make the stroke as you color want. So I'm taking black stroke, and friend, make sure to make it 20 or 25 as per your requirement. So I'm taking 25. So friends, after this, now go to setting of shape layer, and here you will see the option of stroke and go to stroke, and after that friends, go to stroke width and set here keyframe and come here on 1 second and make the stroke 0. So friends, you will see like this. Look at this. Okay friends, now friends, after this friends, double click on the dash. So here is the option of gap. So make 0 dash. First we take butt cap to round cap and make this dash 0 and increase the gap. So you can increase as you want. So I like this one, and after this friends, see it will look like this. Friends, now the last thing is to go scale and here add keyframe and drag it here and make the scale size 0. So friends, you will see like this. Look at this. So friends, here you can see the double dot is not looking good, and you have to go again stroke and you can make the gap more, so it will be okay. Now see, now this is fine. After this friends, one more thing, and just press the U, and so you can see the all keyframe. Select all the keyframe and press the F9, so it will be more smooth like this. And just duplicate this, pressing Ctrl D, and just you can press here is S press, and you can decrease the size again, press Ctrl D and press S and decrease the size. So friends, look like this effect. You can adjust this and make this in like a circle and equal. Friends, thank you so much for watching this video, and please like this video. If you have any question, just comment me below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon with a new video. Till now, bye bye, take care.